Glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using drugstore brand Wet-n-Wild palette called Nude Awakening. That looks like this right here. This palette is what was used to help to create the eye look that you're seeing. And what I love best about this palette is if you are inexperienced to wearing makeup, it gives you a pictorial on the back of it to help guide you on how to use the palette. So convenient. But if you already experienced to wear makeup, well then your possibilities are endless to the type of looks that you can create using this. The eyeshadows are not chalky when applied, and they are extremely pigmented. Enough of me rambling about this palette, because if you want to see how I use it to create this eye look, keep watching the video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.
Okay, dolls, I'm starting out by using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Oil Controlling Lotion. It is infused with tea tree oil, which helps to control my oily skin while providing additional moisture, and so far so good. I'm liking it. I'm also using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wrinkle Defining Cream. Yes, I'm putting this underneath the areas of my eyes, but to make sure the product, goes on smoothly, I'm going to use the warmth of my fingertips and gently pat and rub it in underneath the areas of my eyes to fill in those annoying little fine lines. So now I'm taking my Profusion Cosmetics Eyelid Primer, and with my fingertips I'm going to blend this up all the way towards the brow bone, and then proceed on to using my MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. I love using this to help separate the brow bone from the crease highlight, and I'm going to blend this on in a windshield type motion. This is what helps warm my eye up for the next application of color. But before I apply any other shadows, I need to apply this black cream base, because that is what's going to help the dark shadows pop that much better. But you'll see later on. So here's the fun part, the palette. I'm taking a blending brush and starting to pat it on, but I quickly realized that is the wrong brush, honey. So with a flat shader brush, I'm going to pick some powder up, and here we go. Voila, that much better. These eyeshadows, by the way, are extremely pigmented. Color you see, you are definitely going to get, and as you can see, I'm patting that on the entire mobile area of my eye, being sure to pat it on because I want the pigmentation to remain. So I'm patting it on the entire mobile area of my eye, bringing it up slightly towards my crease. Going back, I'm taking a precision blending brush, and that is when I'm going to begin blending out the harsh lines. I picked up a tiny bit of the transitional color from the palette, but I'm focusing in on blending out just the harsh line that was developed from patting the eyeshadow on. I want to keep this nice and low because I'm trying to create the gradient effect, but this is a lot of work with the blending, doll, so we're going to speed this portion up. Blend, blend, blend some more, blend some more, blend some more, blend some more. You get the point. So once I finish blending away, I'm now going to smoke out that lower lash line. Notice how I already added the false eyelashes and just a little bit of wing liner, smoking out that lower lash line. Now I'm using my Lancôme 4 pumps, does my entire face. I'm going to pat that on along the perimeters of my face to evenly distribute the foundation. Once I get that going, here is where I start to pull the whole look together. Yes, by blending my entire face and using a flat top facial blending brush. Once I do that, I'm using my LA Girl Cream Contour and Concealer. I'm going to conceal underneath the areas of my eyes, and then take the darker portion and contour along my cheekbones as well as my forehead and my temple area. And with a Real Techniques Beauty Blender, quickly blend out that concealer and blend out the contour to have them merge in together to create a gradient contoured effect. Once I finish blending it out, what's left on my facial blending brush, I'm going to gently blend some more just to make sure it's a gradient effect and I don't have any harsh demarcation. So now it's time for some highlight, dolls. Yes, but a little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way for me. It is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm not much of a highlighting kind of person, but when it comes to this LA Colors liquid skin enhancing highlight, yes, look at this right here. The color is called Stella, a beautiful lavender type purple-ish, you know, oh my god, just look at this right here. Oh, that is so beautiful. It complements my skin tone beautifully. I never thought that liquid purple looking highlighter would do it for me. Oh, it is down in the description box below. Now once I finish doing that, I'm going to go with some blush, you know, Milani Cosmetic Rose de Rio. A little bit goes a long way, followed by a classic nude lip. But to complement the nude lip, look what I found. The daggone liquid highlighter had a complementing lip gloss. Who knew? I mean, LA Colors really have been leveling up. And just like that liquid highlighter, a little bit of this definitely is going to go a long way. So dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you check out that Wet n Wild palette called Nude Awakening. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.